Hi everyone, this is Sean Kennedy from Java SE Certification Training, and what I would like to do in this video is a bit like when I'm buying something maybe on Amazon. I will look at the reviews to see what other people think, and that's what I would like to do here. I ran a OCA course last year. I had 2 iterations of it, and this is the feedback from the attendees of those courses. I was able to keep the numbers small, which was great, and that enabled me to give as much attention as needed to the attendees. So what I'll go through now is the feedback that they provided, and this is the first one. So as you can see here, part 1. Course learning outcomes clearly explained. Yes, strongly agreed. The course sequence was easy to follow. Sufficient time was allowed for each topic. The course content has prepared me well for the OCA exam. Okay, and then there's other questions as well. So you can pause the video at any time if you want to see those. It's the comments that I really want to get to. So the instructor was competent and affable. Clearly, the content was explained clearly and easy to understand. The training environment was a good learning environment. I went into a very nice hotel actually for this. It was a classroom environment. And there was another hotel down the road which was a lot cheaper, but I felt it was a better learning environment to be in a nicer hotel, even though it meant that the profit basically was less, but it meant that I could really be confident that the students would enjoy the experience and have a better chance of getting the certification afterwards. So which part of the course worked best for you and why? The Q&A sessions were always very good. Drawing the answers on the whiteboard was great. It helped visualize things and gave me the tools to answer the questions in the same way myself. So that's why the course that I will be delivering will be heavy on MCQ, but there will be notes provided as well. Would you recommend the course to others? Yes. If yes, why would you recommend it? Excellent materials provided, along with very good delivery and explanations. All questions I had were answered, and there was no topic that was not covered, to the extent that I felt confident in my own ability to answer the questions, with a little more study on my own part. Great course. Thank you. So that's the first set of feedback, and I'll just go and locate the next one now. This is the next one, and all of these forums are up on my Facebook page, Java SE Certification Training, which you can see here. So let's just make that bigger. So there again, you can just press pause to look at any of those. Which part of the course worked best for you and why? The flip chart. Visually drawing out the problems instantly makes everything a lot easier to understand. Being able to ask someone questions and get a quick answer. Spending one of the days each week doing questions. Well, I've now refactored the course so that it's all questions, and it was based on feedback like that I altered the course to go like that. And it'll be the same for the online. It'll be questions and answers based. Would you recommend the course to others? Yes. If yes, why would you recommend it? It's a good and fast way of preparing for the exam. If you were to prepare for the exam on your own, it would take a lot longer. And that particular client is certified. She did the OCA certification exam and she passed. Now that may make you wonder, what about the previous client? Well, that client hasn't done the exam as yet. All of the clients that have done the exam have passed it. It's 100% pass rate, which is great. Now, yes, building from a small base, but that is the case. This particular client was doing the course from the viewpoint of upskilling in Java, rather than actually targeting the OCA certification. But you can see from the feedback here, the delivery methods, especially the diagrams, that was again very useful for me to refactor the course. Which part of the course worked best? The questions and answers, going through each question on the board, and the explanations of each's functionality. Practical works the best. Would you recommend it? Yes. Why would you recommend it? Fully competent instructor. This particular client, you can see there, strongly agrees with most of them. Which part of the course worked best for you and why? The large screen was perfect. Use of visuals on A1 paper pad was helpful. Notes concise and easy to follow. Monday, Wednesday schedule made sense, allows for digestion of the content. No complaints on choice of venue, room, car park, water, etc. Would you recommend the course to others? Yes. If yes, why? Concise and clear course. No complaints. And that client is now OCA certified. So here is the next client. Which part of the course worked best for you and why? The delivery method and knowledge of the instructor was brilliant. I found the room the classes took place in to be well suited and created a great learning environment. Would you recommend the course to others? Yes. And why? The OCA material is something that has to be learned in a certain way. The way the instructor deals with each topic really helped me to understand different aspects. So there's the first page. Which part of the course worked best for you and why? I got stuck with the arrays and garbage collection. Thankfully, the instructor gave a better explanation by working the concepts on the board. The diagrammatic representation gave a clear picture how the concept works internally. Would you recommend the course to others? Yes. If yes, why would you recommend it? The course gives a better understanding of each topic. The instructor's notes are so clear and easy to understand. It gives me full confidence in doing the OCA exam. And this client is now OCA certified. And this is the last one. There you can see the first page. Which part of the course worked best for you and why? Everything was perfect for me. The way Sean teaches is the best. The material gathered from different sources is very helpful for you. The explanation and questions on board, the tricks and the tips to look for are great. Would you recommend the course to others? Yes. And why? I would recommend this course because it makes you ready for the OCA exam and also for anything in your current job or future opportunities. Sean explains so well that it will be in your mind forever. I am forever thankful to you, Sean. Thanks for everything. Well, that's very nice to hear. And that particular attendee is now OCA certified. So that's the feedback from the attendees so far. If you like the video, please like it. And if you wish to get more content on this channel, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.